this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. As a Ninja user, I love testing out new recipes in my Ninja Foodi. This is how we do Ninja Foodi hard-boiled eggs. They are so quick and simple. You don't have to worry about the silly 555 method, and no water bath is required either. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fryer recipes over at RecipeThis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. Okay, so start with your water. It's recommended with traditional instant pots to use a cup, but the area of the Ninja Foodi is a little bit bigger, so I recommend 1.5 to 2 cups. And then place in your egg trivet, or if you don't have something like this, any trivet will do. And then you're loading up your eggs. And then once you've loaded up your eggs, it's ready for your lid to go on. Place the lid on. Make sure you're set to sealing. So switch the on switch, and you're looking for the pressure cooker button. Make sure it's set to high pressure, and then the time you are looking for 7 minutes. And then of course, press start. So now let's take the lid off and check on our eggs. Wow, so now you've got 7 perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. Some of them are cracked, but that doesn't matter because they're still easy to peel, and I'll just show you how easy they are shortly. So these are our eggs. Dominic has kindly peeled them for me, and look how wonderful they look. Aren't they fantastic? Right, back to the one that was cracked when we opened the lid. Now that's this one, and look, it's still peeled perfectly, considering it's got a massive crack down it, which is fantastic, isn't it? So there you have it. That is just how simple it is to do hard-boiled eggs in the Ninja Foodi. So these are the Ninja Foodi hard-boiled eggs, and don't they look fantastic now that I've sliced into them? You just can't beat it for just a quick way to do eggs. And like I mentioned, this is my 7-minute method. No 555, just a quick pressure cook on 7 minutes, and you've got perfect hard-boiled eggs. And of course, if you want more Ninja Foodi recipes, head over to RecipeThis.com and check out our Ninja Foodi category. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at RecipeThis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.